Measuring Classroom Objects by Lauren. Goal. How long are our classroom objects? My hypothesis. I think Mrs. Anderson's podium is larger than her chair. Materials. 1. Pencil. 2. Meter tape. 3. Data sheet. 4. Classroom objects. Procedure. First, estimate all the classroom objects you want to measure. Then, measure all the classroom objects you estimated. Lastly, find the difference between the estimate and the real answer. My data. In this experiment, my best estimate guess was the hall pass because I estimated 20 centimeters, and it was really 17 centimeters. My worst was the cross. I estimated 50 centimeters, but it was actually 32 centimeters. Conclusion. In this lab, I learned that it is hard to estimate objects. I also learned that centimeters are easier to measure with than inches. Opinion. I really enjoyed this lab because it was really fun measuring different objects. It was also fun because I got to measure my friends too. That is why I really enjoyed doing this experiment. Thanks for watching!